Hello and welcome once again to the Daily Message. As you know, throughout this week, I've been discussing some verses from the authentic letters of Paul having to do with the Christian ideal of equality. And so what I want to do today is relate the idea as it is contained in Paul, which I've been talking about throughout this week, with Jesus' own idea of equality. I've mentioned this before in some of my talks, that the main theme of Jesus' preaching was the reign of God. And so in the reign of God, Jesus said, there are four primary characteristics. There is healing, there are shared meals, there is wandering, and there is radical equality. And so for Jesus, radical equality literally meant that. And so throughout the Gospels, there are stories about how he reaches out to people who are not considered equals, whether they be sinners or prostitutes or tax collectors or Samaritans or women or lepers. There are all kinds of people who are considered either unclean according to Jewish law or just unacceptable to Jewish and Roman society. These are the people to whom Jesus reaches out first. And these are the people whom he says in the gospel are first in the reign of God. Paul echoes that radical equality by saying that in the reign of God, slaves are equal to their masters, that husbands and wives are equals, that women and men are equals. And so there is an extremely important message there that is found in Jesus and is carried through in the message of Paul. And as I've said before, what is the basis of our equality? What is the basis for which we should, as Christians, say that every person is an equal? It's based finally on our common creation. We are all created by God and therefore all equally loved by God and therefore all brothers and sisters. And so how could we possibly consider anyone to be inferior to us if that person is indeed created by God, loved absolutely by God? That's our call, to see in each and every person whom we meet truly, truly a brother or a sister. Thank you very much. Have a great weekend. As always, stay safe and stay healthy.